Life on the Timeline. Part 1. Planet Earth and Life. Planet Earth and Origin of Life. Earth is the third planet from the Sun at a distance of 149.6 million kilometers, and the only astronomical object so far known to harbor life. While large amounts of water can be found throughout the solar system, only Earth sustains liquid surface water. About 71% of Earth's surface is made up of the ocean, dwarfing Earth's polar ice, lakes and rivers. Planet Earth, with its radius of 6,371 kilometers, total surface area of 510.1 million square kilometers and land area of 148.94 million square kilometers. Wikipedia. According to World Bank Census 2022, human population on the surface of Earth exceeds 7.8 billion. Scientific studies and research reveals that the planet Earth was formed 4.543 billion years ago. Initially it was a sterile, lifeless ball of rock, slammed by meteorites and carpeted with erupting volcanoes. It seems possible that the origin of life on the Earth's surface could have been first prevented by an enormous flux of impacting comets and asteroids. Then a much less intense rain of comets may have deposited the very materials that allowed life to form some 3.5 to 3.8 billion years ago. NASA. Life is co-eternal with matter and has no beginning. Life arrived on Earth at the time of Earth's origin or shortly thereafter. Life arose on the early Earth by a series of progressive chemical reactions. Such reactions may have been likely or may have required one or more highly improbable chemical events, e.g. Studies that track how life forms have evolved suggest that the earliest life on Earth emerged about 4 billion years ago. That timeline means life almost certainly originated in the ocean. Timothy Michael Lenton says, the first continents hadn't formed 4 billion years ago, so the surface of the planet was almost entirely ocean. The Wire Science. Within a billion years, the planet Earth became inhabited by microorganisms. Microscopic organisms, microbes, which are known to be earliest, most basic known form of life on Earth. Today, life covers every centimeter of the planet Earth, from the highest mountains to the deepest sea. A high obliquity would probably result in dramatic changes in the climate and may destroy the planet's habitability. This is expected to occur between 1.5 and 4.5 billion years from now. Future of Earth, Wikipedia. Beginning of life on the planet Earth is one of great unresolved mysteries. Scientists have been seeking to determine the origin of life in several different ways, but it remains an extremely complex proposition. According to scientific research, the ancient planet Earth was a true ocean, totally covered with water with no land in sight, whereas the Earth at present is about 70% covered with water. The most ancient known form of life are microscopic organisms or microbes, the traces of which were found by the scientists in very ancient, billions of years old rocks. According to evidence based on the era of oldest volcanic rocks with fossil found in Africa and Australia, the life on Earth began at least 3.5 billion years ago. Discovering an answer for the very first origin of life on Earth is a mystery as yet and a challenge for the scientists.